Have you ever wondered how high you could jump on other planets? It's a question that sparks the imagination. Imagine bouncing around on the moon or taking a giant leap on Mars. What would it be like? The answer lies in the force of gravity. Gravity is what keeps us grounded on Earth. It's the invisible force pulling everything towards the center of the planet. Let's embark on a cosmic journey to explore how gravity changes your jump height on different planets in our solar system. Get ready for some exciting discoveries. Gravity is like an invisible magnet. The bigger the planet, the stronger its magnetic pull. Each planet has its own gravitational force. This force depends on the planet's mass and size. A planet with more mass and density has stronger gravity. A planet with less mass and density has weaker gravity. The moon is much smaller and lighter than Earth. Its gravity is about 6 times weaker. This means you can jump much higher on the moon. An average person could jump about 6 times higher on the moon than on Earth. Imagine soaring through the air like an astronaut. That's what jumping on the moon would feel like. Mars, the red planet, is bigger than the moon but smaller than Earth. Its gravity is about 3 times weaker than Earth's. On Mars, you could jump about 3 times higher than on Earth. That's still a pretty impressive leap. Maybe one day we'll have Martian Olympics where athletes compete in high jump. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's a gas giant with incredibly strong gravity. Jupiter's gravity is about 2.5 times stronger than Earth's. So, if you tried to jump on Jupiter, well, you wouldn't get very far. You'd feel incredibly heavy and stuck to the ground. It's best to admire Jupiter from afar. Venus is similar in size to Earth, but its gravity is slightly weaker. However, Venus has an incredibly dense atmosphere and scorching hot temperatures. Jumping on Venus wouldn't be a pleasant experience. The intense heat and pressure would make it nearly impossible to move, let alone jump. Plus, the toxic atmosphere would be very dangerous to breathe. It's best to admire Venus from a safe distance. Saturn, the ringed planet, is another gas giant with strong gravity. Its gravity is slightly stronger than Earth's. Jumping on Saturn wouldn't be easy. You'd feel heavy and wouldn't get very high. But imagine jumping through Saturn's magnificent rings. That would be a sight to behold. Uranus and Neptune are ice giants with very strong gravity. Their gravity is significantly stronger than Earth's. Jumping on either of these planets would be a challenge. You'd feel incredibly heavy and wouldn't be able to jump very high at all. These planets are best admired from a distance. Gravity plays a fascinating role in our universe. It determines how high we can jump on different planets. From the moon's low gravity to Jupiter's intense pull, each celestial body offers a unique experience. As we continue to explore space, we'll learn more about the wonders of gravity and its effects on the cosmos. So keep your curiosity alive and keep exploring the universe.